Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, this is another quick video as well. Now guys, if you want to lose weight, if you want to detox your body, I'm gonna do this remedy, and this remedy gonna alkaline your body. And once your body is alkaline, it's gonna free from mucus and all bacteria. Good for diabetes, fight cancer cell, keep them to a bay. It's also help with blood pressure and all of that. Open your appetite, gonna clean your colon, a good colon cleanse. Help with any infection and all of that. All right, we're gonna make some alkaline juice or alkaline water. And right here guys, I have baking soda. This baking soda is unfiltered. All right, so you want to get the raw real baking soda, and I'm going to use 1 cup of water, and I add 1 teaspoon of baking soda right here. All right, I'm going to use, you can use maybe 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and we're going to get into the video. So we're going to add 1 cup of water. 1 cup right there, and we're gonna add our baking soda. Can you see that there guys? And we're gonna squeeze about a tablespoon, or if you can use the whole one, it's up to you. And all you want to do now guys, you just want to stir this, and when you're stirring it, as you stir it guys, you have to drink it right away. So I'm gonna drink this right away, okay? So I'm gonna talk fast. So when you drink this guys, somebody told me about it and I have witnessed it, that when you drink this every morning, whether you want to drink it for 7 days or forever or every other day, guys, I have seen this drink or water here help to reduce diabetes. So if you're diabetic, this is a good drink for you. It's gonna alkaline your body guys, and it's gonna clean you, and it's gonna build you a good detox. All right, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love and be blessed, because once you mix it, you need to drink it right away. Don't let it settle. All right guys, see you later. Put God first. Bye guys.